Hi there, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use the application Bloomz in your classroom. Bloomz is a communication app for teachers and parents. It provides a variety of features to allow easier access to your class happenings and announcements. And teachers can easily sign up for free online, and they can provide that link to their parents and their parents can add the class to their devices. There are some demo videos and practice classes on the app that teachers can learn from here, and it lets them practice adding the announcements and just getting a view of what the parents would see. I've created my own practice classroom right here. And so some great things about this app include easy messaging to the parent's preferred device. Parents can receive email, text, or app notifications and in the language of their choosing. And this really helps to bridge the gap from home to school. The teacher can also post announcements regarding important reminders and information that can be seen for only a limited time. So I have right here, we have library tomorrow. Don't forget library books need to be turned in tomorrow. The teachers can easily push the create button, add an announcement, and here it says I only want it to run from here till here. And you can type in whatever you need to announce to parents, add the picture, and just post. And that will get posted to the main page. Parents can receive the notification how they chose. And then teachers want another cool thing. They can add conferences. So they can schedule conferences through Bloomz and also ask for parent volunteers. So it's easy for parents and teachers to pick specific times. Here I have parent-teacher conferences, and their options are to choose from Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. And if you click on it, it shows where the meeting would be, and then here parents can pick from a time slot what works for them. So they can go, I want to come on Tuesday from 4:40 to 5 o'clock, and it allows them to sign up that way. And they can also, it'll go away once they've signed up, so other parents won't be able to pick the time slot. And then also teachers can ask for parent volunteers. And they can, right here I have the St. Patrick's Day party, and the teachers requested only 3 people, so once 3 parents have signed up, then that will go away. Another cool feature about this app is the behavior management aspect. This tab right here, if you click behavior, it shows the class. I've made up some students. And each student has their own behavior kind of like chart, and you can pick the theme. And teachers add points for positive behavior and can take away points for negative behaviors. So as here, if I click on Amanda, I can add a point for hardworking, and it'll give a little ding. But I can also take away a point. Say she was not following directions, it would take away a point. And you can see here that the students are working for a pizza party, so it shows a little car in their progress, and you can change for whatever reward that you want them to work on. And teachers can also change the theme. Right now I have flowers, that every positive point grows their flowers, but you can change that to another theme. They had a cute dinosaur one, and the dinosaur egg was cracking. But that's pretty cool for students to also monitor with their parents, and parents can log in and see in real time their behavior. But overall, this is all the tabs that parents or teachers would click to add. And this is what the main page would look like for parents. It kind of looks like a Facebook page. But the portfolios, you can click on each student and they're able to share their work there with their parents. That's usually for older ages, but then younger ones can have access as well. And teachers can add calendar events. This is where parents can come to look what's happening in the classroom. Teachers can add pictures here. I don't have many added. Another cool feature is this right here, the documents. Teachers can add a variety of documents here. I have the school district calendar that parents can access, as well as the classroom rules. But going back to my main feed, overall, I think Bloomz is a great communication tool to use in your classroom. It's fairly easy to use and creates a single place for parents to access any information, pictures, and they can communicate with their child's teacher. It also allows teachers to save paper and time and energy by using the app Bloomz.